How to download and install Microsoft Word/Office for free on your PC or laptop. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to learn how we can download and install the Microsoft Office or Word for free on our laptop. So let's just get started with the video without any delay. For that, you can head over to your preferred browser and type in Microsoft Store, and you'll be finding the link available in the first option. Just go ahead and tap on it and it will lead you to the Microsoft Store. So from here, all you need to do is head over to the search bar and type in Microsoft Store there. Just go ahead and type in Office as well. You can just go ahead and type in that as well. After that, you'll be getting this option. Just go ahead and click on it. And in the results, you'll be finding different options available. So most of them are something that you need to pay for. So you're going to look out for the option that is free. For example, this Microsoft 365 Copilot. You can just go ahead and use this option and you can download the Microsoft Office for free, just like that. Just click on this download option and it will let you with all of the available things in Office like Word, presentation, sheets, everything. So that is it. This is the method you can use up in order to download and install the Microsoft Word Office for free. So I hope this video was helpful and thank you for watching this.